Step 11 na ta sa atong road to VA life. Karon nga naa na kay tracker, magsugod na ta sa atong hunting, job hunting or client hunting. This is what you will do for step 11. Go to onlinejobs.ph and click the job offers or the job board. You will see a list of the job posts, di ba? Daghan kina sila.
Okay
You will pick 3 to 5 job offers nga feeling nimo good fit ka or kaya nimo ang trabaho. But remember this, on onlinejobs.ph or any job boards or even on Facebook groups kanang may mga mo-post og hiring daw virtual assistant, careful kay nagsaksak sinagol ang tanang tao sa kalibutan diha sa internet. There are good clients, there are bad clients, and there are also scammer clients. So, when you read the job description and it seems too good to be true, it probably is a scam. So again, gamit og utok, dili ta magpailad ha, dili magdali-dali. Ang buhaton lang sa nimo sa step 11 is maglista. Ilista lang sa ang imuhang mga prospects ngadto sa imuhang tracker. The application process is what I will teach in step 12. Klarohon ako unya na mo apply ha, maglista ra sa ta. Ayaw glayat, one step at a time lang ta. Now, back to your list. Kay step 11 is just listing down the job offers nga interesado ka. From the job offers list, you will grab the job title, the client or the company name, and also the link to the job offer. Kay para if you want to go back to that job offer, igo na nimo i-click ang link, mabalik ra ka dito. Dili ka ma-lost. Add to nimo ilag tanan data sa imuhang tracker. Okay? Kini nga step is very important because it will help you stay organized. So if humana ka og lista sa imong 3 to 5 job prospects, then go ahead and find the link to my Step 12 video. Kay sugdan na nato ang pag-apply with the help of our best friends, Gemini and ChatGPT. The Step 12 video link is either in the descriptions or the comments. See you there!